What's up guys, it's your girl Sharifa, and in today's vlog I'll be making a room tour for my new home. Yeah, my room number is 4, and let's try to open and see what's inside. Ta-da! So this is my new room. Oh my god, the kid's stuck in the locker. Okay, so we are inside already. I'll switch on the lights first and let's see what we have here. So going ahead, this is the fridge. It's just placed close to the door just in case I'm hungry. I get home, I'm very hungry, I'll just check what's in the fridge. Okay, inside the fridge, let me see how many cups. Oh, it is so tiny. That's the freezer, and below it has the small chiller. So I'll do some groceries so I can back up and have some food. Yeah, moving forward, here is the mini kitchen, and here's the sink, the washing machine, microwave, and oh my god, this is so huge. Ooh, it's big inside. Anyways, okay, and this is the stove I'll be using to cook my food. Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay. Up here there's the cabinet, so I can keep my stuff, my pans, and all cutlery. I can keep it up here, and anything else I can put, anything like dry stock. Yeah, and here we have the sink. Oh my god, the water is so cold. I prefer cold water. Anyways, oh my goodness. Oh my god, I don't need to stress myself buying this stuff. It's already inside. Some glasses, cutleries, a big jug, plates, small cups, and saucers. It's just enough for me. So below here I can put my trash. And let's see if the machine is working. Oh my god. Okay. How many cages can it have? Oh my god. Okay. I'll check that out if I'm going to wash. So moving ahead, here I have the TV stand. It's just a dressing cabinet or something, I don't know. Anyways, that's the setup, and I have this sofa set. It's just small, just for one, and that's the window I can see from outside. Oh, this is so nice. So guys, we're going to the washroom. Let's see how big or how small it looks, and see is it enough for one person. It has the shower curtain, the sink, toilet seat, and everything. Okay. I'm so funny. Okay, so moving forward, this is the shower, and this is the tub. I can do some bubble bath and chill when I'm tired. Okay, this is so cute. I'm going to live here forever. I'm kidding. Okay, I like hot water a lot. So guys, that's the bathroom. Going ahead, I don't know what's the difference between washroom and bathroom. I don't know. Okay, so that is it in the bathroom or washroom, whatever. Washroom is I think it's anyways, I'll come back for that next time. Okay, here we are in the bedroom. Ooh, this is overwhelming. Okay, this is the small tiny bed for one person. It is well laid with one pillow, but I have my extra pillow, so I will put it aside. And this mini cabinet, I can put my makeup, my small lampshade, and everything. And the pillow is so soft. 2 towels, all in white, and the bed sheets and the bed, everything is white. Like, an angel is gonna sleep here. Anyways, going more forward, it's let's see what's in the cabinet. Okay. Oh my god, this is so huge. Down I can put my shoes, I can put my clothes here, and oh, there is also apps. What should I put here? Anyways, I'll figure it out and see what I can put in every space here. Okay, this is so big. Okay, I'll close this, and there is this other one. I can put other things. Oh, I'm gonna die here. This is all I wanted. Anyways, I'm just making a room tour, and that's it for the bedroom. That is my bedroom. Yeah, let's get back to the kitchen and see what is there. For safety, there's the fire blanket, the fire extinguisher. I guess I know how to use them all. Yeah. That is my mini home, guys, in Dubai. Yeah. The carpet, the tiles, and I'm gonna need to, maintain the cleanliness. Okay, that's the view outside. We've seen my neighbors from there. That's it, guys. Thank you so much. That's my room tour. So I'll be going, and I will leave my room closed, and I'll come back later. I'm still making a tour around the area. When you know it's very hard to kiss so hard. Okay. Room number 4. If you want to visit me, just let me know. I can send the location. Okay. Oh, it's a very big hall. What is out here? Okay. Can't go there. So we're going. Okay. Go through the first entrance door, and the second. Some staircases if I want to go up. Maybe there is something like a balcony or something. I don't know. I'll check it out next time. And there's a small notice board for some things if you want to buy something, if you want to know about something around this area. And outside you can park your bicycles as long as it's locked. Your car, there's a free parking for the car. Guys, this is my car. I'm joking. Oh my god. Yeah, that's so funny. My laughing is so loud anyways. It's fine. And we have the cleaning tools around there. That is my bus. My work bus that takes us to work. Okay. This is the whole entire view of my accommodation, and this is outside in Jumeirah. These are all residential units. So yeah, this is my driver. He's chilling, and no one is in the bus except me. They knew I was going to make a tour today, so they decided not to come. They gave me space. So yes, guys, thanks for watching.